Hello everyone. So I viewed the slideshow. I changed the background by going to design, 1 second, design, and here to background styles. I did blue. Then I liked the theme, so I kept the theme. I realized I didn't like the layout, so of course I, highlighted each slide and laid the layout of title and content. The place when I changed the layout, the placeholders were exactly where I wanted it to be. They were all above on top, so that's exactly what I wanted. Then in addition, I changed the pictures. First slide, I made the pictures bigger, um, and in addition, I added animation. So I went to animation. I used like different types. I used like fade, uh, dissolve in, appear. I used different animation for that. In addition, I changed the text formatting. So I went home, I highlighted the text, and I went to change case. And with that, I used sentence case. So at least, the punctuation, not the punctuation, but the like capital letters, everything are actually accurate and there's no errors there. So I changed that. I also changed the bullets so it could just be one form. In addition, did header and footer, and seeing that I have to go to view notes page, and you can see that I did the header and I did the footer. All right, so I'm gonna go back, so I have to change it back to normal. Okay, so what I learned was a lot. um I know the purpose of this course was just to understand how to change the errors that we see and to utilize what we've learned in chapter 1. So I've learned to format the text. Like, no, I didn't even know what this was, change case. So I thought it was very, very intriguing. I definitely learned that. In addition, head and footer, like, that's in Word, but I didn't even know how to get to it and that it can even be on a PowerPoint because I've never printed out a PowerPoint anyway. So that was also something that I did learn in this course. That is, I've learned other things, example, just even how to view in different formats, normal outline view, notes page. So I found out how to see the head and footer will be in the notes page. This was a very interesting chapter. I thought I knew computer well, but I guess, there's always something that we can learn. Thank you very much.